What's up guys? So in today's video, I hope you guys are doing pretty good, pretty awesome, having a good day. Hold on, let me close my gate. All right, so in today's video, we're gonna install my friend Burley bought a brand new exhaust system for his car. It's called a Skunk something. I can't really pronounce the freaking name well. Skunk something. It's for his SI, FDO, whatever. And he's so excited. We're gonna go install it, take it to the shop to put it on, and let's see how it sounds. And I mean, he's excited. I'm excited. I like how his car is. I like how it sounds already. I could just imagine how it sounds with the exhaust. So let's see. Let's get to it. The Skunk what? Skunk 2? Damn. Bro, this is gonna be sick. You know we gotta get one cold start before you put that on.
Alright, let's try to see.
Ooh. Rabbit? Holy crap. You know, he's one happy little boy right now. Oh. That thing sounds so sick. Yeah, smell nothing but gas. Holy crap. Damn, that thing is loud.
It's too loud. I'm scared, dude.
That's something that was good.
On the outside, does it sound this loud?
Huh?
Does it sound this loud? On the outside?
Yeah.
I feel like this when it comes behind.
Yeah. I like go fast, like and down shit. Damn. It popped over there at the south side, bro.
That thing sounds.
You hear that again?